In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove signature background in Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is crop it and get it facing the right way. Drag and select, done. And from here, you want to press red. Let's go to channels, press command and select this one. Here we go to image, adjustments, levels. You want to get that as black as possible against a white background. Do that, and then from here you want to add a solid color. Make it white. And then from here, remove the background. By the way, you can just see it here. The reason why mine didn't go very well is because I used blue ink and not black ink. But for this demonstration, I showed you how to remove the backgrounds. As long as you delete the layer, that will do that. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.